Hello, I'm Anatoli Levine. I'm Director of Products and Standards with Softil. Softil is a software company. We provide, as we call it, enabling technology for developers of mission-critical communication solutions. So these are basically libraries, middleware, APIs. There are many words for the same technology, but we implement standards which are required for mission-critical communications solutions, devices, systems, etc. So we implement those standards, inform the libraries, and then developers take those libraries and build their products with the libraries which are compliant with all these MCX international standards. Some of our customers include L3 Catalyst, Advanced Tech, Zitron, Sipura, and we can go on and on. And it's working both for mission-critical communications and for solutions called FRMCS. This is a Future Railway Mobile Communication Systems, being right now in development in Europe for high-speed trains. So yesterday we had a great session. It was very well attended. So we were talking about essentially challenges and solutions for deploying products on the FirstNet for mission-critical communications. So this was specifically my session, and we had great audience participation. There was a lot of interest. There were good questions asked, and we covered that subject very well. And I've been through a few other sessions, which were all very interesting and was a very good content. There was a session on direct communications and good content. These are transition times. It is always there is a desire and expectations that transition will be happening faster than it usually is. So let's put it this way. So the transition is underway. The transition is underway in the United States with some of the networks, such as Southern Link, for example, is fully MCX based, and they deliver mission-critical communication services, standards based, to tens of thousands of first responders. So this is fully functional network. Some of the solutions, such as FirstNet, are still work in progress because they need to address a lot of different requirements. The mission-critical communications, standards-based mission-critical communications in Europe are on the way, with pretty much all the European countries declaring their plans for transition, when technology will transition, what will be, how the transition will look like, when they will discontinue Tetra and switch completely to broadband mission-critical communications. So the technology is moving forward, not at the speed which we want to anticipate, but this is normal with any new technology. There is always, timing is different from the expectations. So IWCE is very important because it allows industry to come together. And so this is, and again, I see great attention, and I've been coming to IWCE at this point for a good number of years, maybe 9 years, maybe 8-9 years, something like that. And there is definitely a progress in the conversations. So we moving toward public safety broadband communications. There is more and more, there is more understanding, there is more, the needs are more apparent, and IWCE brings this critical piece, bringing vendor community together, allowing people to demonstrate their latest products and achievements. And the speaking portion is very important because that's like where you can get education, you can learn what the other people do. So this is, it's important. So IWCE is, in my opinion, is a very useful and very important event. So that's why we've been here, through all of the IWCEs. From the moment we really embraced the public safety broadband communications industry, we've been pretty much through all the IWCE events.